Today's lesson is solve system of equation with two variable by graphing. So you have two variables, system of equation with two variables, and by graphing, part one. So here I have a system of equation. The first equation I have two variables, and the second equation I only have one variable. So let's take care of the first equation. So I have y equal negative x plus 1. Do the x, y, t table like this. And this is called the x, y, t table. When you plug in numbers, always choose 0 and 1 because they are the easiest number. You can pick any number you want, but 0 and 1 is the easiest. So put 0 in for x. Put 0 in for x, so what that I have right here, so this is my x, so 0 plus 1, okay? Don't forget the negative that I have here. So 0 is just 0, so the negative go away, bring down the 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So our first point or coordinate is 0, positive 1, okay? So one more time, put 0 in for x, solve basic order operation, and then my first point is 0, positive 1. Okay, so make sure you write it like this, x, y. Okay, the next number will be 1, so put 1 in for x, but here I have negative 1. I have a negative in front, so negative times 1 gives me negative 1. Don't forget the plus 1 in the back, so negative 1 plus 1 gives me 0. So my second point or coordinate is 1, 0, which I have right here. One more time, where did I get the 0 and the 1? You randomly select the number for x, okay? You can pick any number you want for x, but it is best to use 0 and 1 because they are the easiest number to start, okay? Again, you can pick any number for x, but it would be best if we pick 0 and 1 because it is easier to start, okay? Wherever there's an x, you put 0 in. Same thing with 1. Wherever there's an x, you put a 1 in. And then do basic order of operation, and then get your point or coordinate, okay? So a line only need 2 points. One more time, a line only need 2 points. You could have more if you want, but for now 2 point is good enough. Okay, so that's the first equation. Now let's do the second equation, which I have over here. However, the second equation only have one letter, so therefore this is already the answer. Negative 1 will be on x, okay? Since it is only one variable, the line is on negative 1 at x. Okay, so one more time, this is one variable, so the answer is already the way it is, so x will be at negative 1 or negative 1 at x. Okay, so use this information. Now let's graph. Do your x line and your y line. So this is the graph that we're graphing, okay? Do your x and then do your y, this, okay? So put your point in 0, 1. So 0, 1 would be right here. This is 0, 1. Next, 1, 0, 1, 0 would be here. Okay, one more time, 0, 1, which is here. So 0, 1 up. Next point, 1, 0. So starting from the middle, 1 over, and then add 0. So there are my 2 points or coordinates. Connect, and there's the line. So the black line is the one that I have 2 variables, and then negative 1 at x. So here's x, this is x. Negative 1 is right here. So that straight line down is x equal negative 1. So the blue line is this equation with one variable. Okay, so in part 1 we're going to use these two equations do our XYT chart and graph. Okay, so one more time, the black line is the one that I have here circling with two variables. The blue line is the one that I have with one variable. Okay, so this is the lesson for solve system of equation by graphing. So this is by graphing. Okay.